Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for your continued supports all through the years. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I will share to you another easy, quick recipe, which is mushrooms with egg. Before we begin, don't forget to write in the comment your name and the country you are watching my video. So let's begin with the shimeji mushrooms. Separate to which we can easily cut. Remove the roots and wash thoroughly to remove those dirt and insects residues. Remove the roots. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell at the end of the video. Have some slices of red bell pepper. This recipe is made for single person. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Then slice green pepper with same amount like the red bell pepper. This video is made easy for you to follow. If you're looking for other kinds of mushrooms recipe, well, check on my playlist. I have lots of mushrooms recipe prepare for all of you. Have 1 piece of medium-sized onion cut and chopped. Your feedback help us grow. Write in the comment your views. We need 3 cloves of garlic sliced or minced. Let's whisk 2 eggs. And make our liquid seasoning by adding in a bowl a pinch of salt and pepper, cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Add a bit of water, then mix thoroughly. Now all the ingredients are prepared, we can start cooking by adding cooking oil in a heated pan and fry the beaten egg. Flip it, then cut while cooking, same what I am doing. Now we can remove from the pan and set it aside. On the same pan, we sauté the garlic and onion. Lower the heat and continue on cooking until the onion is caramelized. Then add the shimeji mushrooms. Stir fry, then cover until the natural water from the mushrooms comes out. Then uncover. Once the mushrooms is watery, uncover, then add the bell pepper. Mix for a few seconds, then add the liquid seasonings. Now continue of cooking until it becomes thickened, then add the fried egg. By this time, you can turn off the heat. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. I hope you enjoy and learn from today's recipe. Have a happy, healthy meal.